Okay, let's start the warm-up. Now, the warm-up says, what is 10% of 30? And once again, we're using the of over 100 is equals, or over percent, sorry. And we got to see what we have in our problem again, just like last week. We have a percent symbol, okay? We have the of, and we have the is, which we don't know what it's going to be. So all we do is we set up a proportion. And we fill in the spots to what we have in our problem. In our problem, we have 10%. Percent is on the bottom, so the 10 goes right here. We have of. Of is on the top left, above the 100. So let's put the 30 on top. And now the next thing, the 100, you can see is always in the problem. So let's put that 100 right here. So the only blank left is our is, which we diagnosed in the problem. There's no is right there. So we're going to solve for that. The next thing we do is cross multiply and divide. That's how you solve all proportions. Cross multiply, divide. 100 times x. That is 100x. Now you see the equal sign. We put the equal sign. And then we know now we have to go 10 times 30. 10 times 30. If you don't know that, you go 10 or 30 times 10. Once again, you know zeros, just like last week and other times I've told you, the zero can come right down and then move right over. It's a placeholder. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. So 30 times 10 is 300. So 300 is on the other side of our equation. Now we have 100x. We multiplied over here, 100 times x. So it's 100x. So that means multiplication. So in order to take it across the opposite line, remember, this is the opposite line, we have to divide by 100 because dividing is the opposite of multiplication. This is done. Now we have 300 over 100. Remember, like I told you before, zeros can cancel if they're in the numerator and denominator. Make your life easier. Don't work harder. 1 divided into 3. Well, that means my answer is 3. Hope this helps.